Sunlight blankets a sprawling solar facility in India. Here, over 1.2 million photovoltaic panels silently convert the sun's energy into clean power enough to illuminate thousands of homes. But managing a facility of this scale requires constant vigilance and efficient information flow. Previously, managing critical documents like maintenance logs, warranties, and safety protocols proved a constant challenge. This paper-based system led to misplaced files, wasted time searching for information, and potential delays in crucial maintenance procedures. To address these inefficiencies and optimize operations, the solar facility implemented a game-changing solution: cloud-based document management with Futr OS. This innovative solar asset management software boasts a powerful document management platform that brought much-needed order to the chaos. Futr OS transformed document management at the facility. All critical documents were scanned and uploaded to a secure central cloud platform, eliminating reliance on paper and ensuring accessibility from any location within the facility. Customizable tags and folders were created within Futr OS, allowing for effortless document retrieval and fostering a culture of meticulous organization. Granular access controls were implemented, guaranteeing that only authorized personnel could view specific documents, upholding data security and compliance. The implementation of the document management system yielded significant results. The plan's current progress shows reduction in document search time by up to 75%, allowing technicians to locate critical information quickly. Streamlined document management processes freed up valuable time and resources, resulting in a 30% increase in operational efficiency. Furthermore, improved document organization and access control with Futr OS ensured adherence to industry regulation and safety protocols, solidifying the facility's commitment to clean energy.